Darkschool presents 2D shapes. In this video, we are going to see how to find out missing angles in some common shapes. Let's look at this problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is the same length as AC. If angle A measures 42 degrees, find the measures of angle B and angle C. So we have an isosceles triangle. These are the two equal sides. It's given that AB is the same length as AC. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. AB is the same length as AC. If angle A measures 42 degrees, this one's 42 degrees, find the measure of angle B and angle C. So we need to find the measure of angle B and angle C, given that they are equal because they are the angles opposite the equal sides in an isosceles triangle. Now the sum of all three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So if you want to find the sum of B and C, we could say B plus C taken together is equal to 180 degrees minus angle A, which is 42 degrees. And that is equal to 138 degrees. Now because B and C are equal, that means each one has to be 138 divided by 2. So we could say the measure of angle B, which is the same as the measure of angle C, is equal to 138 degrees divided by 2, which is 69 degrees. So this one's a 69 and this one's a 69 as well. Let's try another one. Find X in the following figure. Now given that this is a triangle with a right angle over here, this symbol indicates a right angle or a 90 degrees. And we know that the sum of all three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we could say X plus 90 degrees plus 65 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, or in other words, X plus 155 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and therefore X is equal to 180 degrees minus 155 degrees, which is equal to 25 degrees. So we could say X is 25 degrees. Or X degrees is 25. So X is 25. Let's put it like that. Let's try another one now. ABCD is a parallelogram. If angle A measures 115 degrees, find the measures of the other three angles. So here's a parallelogram. And we have A, B, C, D as its four vertices. It's given that angle A is 115 degrees. And we know that in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. So angle C is also 115 degrees. And then the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary, meaning that angle A plus angle D will add up to 180 degrees. Given that this is 115 degrees, then D has to be equal to 65 degrees. 115 plus 65 is equal to 180. So we found angle D. This is 65 degrees. And then angle B is nothing but it's exactly opposite to angle D. Therefore, that's got to be equal to angle D in measure. So B is also 65 degrees. So there you go. Given that A is 115 degrees, B is 65 degrees, C is 115 degrees again, and D is 65 degrees, that's equal to B.